Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing the canvas so the circle will be accurate and editable. Create a new canvas with a square aspect ratio. This keeps proportions even. Turn on rulers or the grid so you can snap visually. It's faster than eyeballing. Then choose or create a dedicated layer for the circle and lock the background layers. This prevents accidental strokes. Once done, select the brush and adjust size slightly smaller than intended edge thickness to leave room for correction. Now you'll create the circle with precision tools to avoid freehand distortion. Pick the ellipse or shape tool and drag while watching guides. You can hold shift to constrain proportions if available. If you have a rough oval, use the transform tool and enable snap to guide so you scale from center and maintain symmetry. Make adjustments to brush size, stroke opacity, and color now because these settings define the final look. If you want a filled circle, toggle fill. If not, use stroke and finish by refining the circle so it's clean and export ready. Zoom in past 200% and use a small eraser or layer mask to tidy jagged edges. This preserves smooth curves. Group or merge the circle layer with related elements, then export as PNG if you need transparency or JPG for a flattened file. If the circle looks warped, don't panic. Reopen Transform, reset scale to 100%, re-enable guides, and nudge handles until the circle is symmetric. That single redo fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.